na naman kami guys sa Casablanca Casino Buffet. Dito ito sa Mesquite, Nevada guys. Dito kami mag-celebrate ng Thanksgiving. Dito kami kakain sa buffet. So, mahaba na yung pila guys. Oh my God. Maaga na ito kami ha. Pero ang haba ng pila. Oh no. Tapos hindi pa kami nag-breakfast. Nag-coffee lang ako guys. Hi guys! Dito kami ngayon sa park. Dito sa town ng Hurricane. Kasi mag-Christmas lighting sila tonight. Maaga lang kami guys kasi para may parking spot kami. So ayan, itong mga bata naglalaro na. So maaga kami guys para may parking kasi mamaya 6 o'clock wala nang parking, puno na dito guys. Yan yung mga hot chocolate mamaya guys at saka donut, may pa-free sila sa lahat ng tao dito pupunta. Tapos doon yung stage para magpa-picture kay Santa Claus. Magpipila kami mamaya dyan. Nandyan yung Christmas tree. Ano ba yun? Si Shelton. Yan yung Christmas tree guys.
Is it starting?
Ila-light up nila mamaya 6 o'clock.
Is it starting?
Not yet. So dito gagawin guys sa park ang Christmas tree lighting. Lighting pala, lighting. Kanta day. Kanta day. A Merry Christmas. Dito kami sa harap guys. Oh. Malapit na kami. Malapit lang kami sa stage. Para makapag-picture kay Santa Claus mamaya. Sila na lang. Tapos yung kambal sila na lang din, no? Siguro. Pwede naman. Picturean ko kayo kung gusto nyo. Sila lang. So, ayan lang yung stage, guys. So,
put some like this.
tapos may free wagon rides din sila and horse riding. And dito yung Christmas tree. Magka-countdown mamaya. Malapit na 6 o'clock, half hour na lang. Marami, may mga tao na. Mamaya puno na to guys.
Okay, here he is. We got Santa Claus. Woo! Everybody give round of applause for Whitney. Santa, we're so glad you're here. He's gonna.
Over there in the snow. Come back quick. Don't go far.
Hi guys, you guys ready to
May pa-snow. So ayan, na-light na yung Christmas tree dito guys sa community namin. Malaki siya. Maraming nagpipicture, nagpapapicture. Now it's time to line up for taking pictures with Santa.
Santa?
Yeah.
You guys go first.
A vending machine?
Yeah,
Merry Christmas to you.
Say thank you. Kumakain kami ngayon guys ng donut. It's free. Tapos hot choco guys. Free din. Okay. So Nandito kami ngayon guys, nakapila para sumakay yung mga bata ng train. Ayan o. Mahaba-haba yung pila guys, pero nagtsatsaga talaga kami. Sila na ang sunod. Sila na ang sunod guys. Silang apat, si Sam and Sheldon at saka yung kambal. Meron din dyan horseback riding. Mahaba din yung pila. So they're next in line.
Hi, Mom.
Hello, have fun. Ang cute.
The one with the helicopter.
Ayan, tapos na. She was laughing. Oh, he was laughing. They said the butt hurt though. Good job.
That was bumpy.
It's bumpy ride. Did you guys have fun? Oh my God, mahaba pa ang pila guys. Okay, let's go over here. Mag-try kami mag-line up dito guys. Diyos ko po. Malamig na guys kasi almost 8 PM na. Guys, nandiyan na sila. Here and we're next in line. Dito na kami, nakapila. Kami na ang next. Magpa-park na yan. So ito yung sasakyan namin guys. Okay, go ahead. Go, go, go. Nakasakay na kami guys. Oo. Ayan yung sa likod namin. Isang ikot lang, no? Pwede na rin. Tapos na guys, pauwi na rin kami.
The park.